Hello, my name is Ellie Mercer, and today I will be delivering you the information needed to further your understanding of sex trafficking, or human trafficking as it's called, and what it is. Human trafficking affects every country in our world today. It is not an out in the open topic, but anyone can become a victim. To what extent can things be defined as human trafficking, you may wonder? Well, according to DoSomething.org, it is trafficking involves transporting someone into a situation of exploitation. This can include forced labor, marriage, prostitution, and organ removal. It is very hard to tell the signs, but people in your own community are being used at this very moment. A cry for help can easily be misheard or dismissed due to how people are trying to mind their own business, or how very unaware they are to how common this activity actually is. The estimated for human trafficking is about 20 million to 40 million modern cases internationally today, and 0.04% of these survivor cases are unidentified, which means they go undetected. Traffickers make anywhere from $4,000 to $50,000 depending on the victim's origin and destination. This industry is huge, which is why it is such an important issue. There are many ways to identify if someone is being exploited, and here are some of the signs. Appearing malnourished, showing signs of physical injuries and abuse, avoiding eye contact, social interaction and authority figures / law enforcement, seeming to adhere to scripted or rehearsed responses in social interactions, lacking official identification documents, appearing destitute, lacking in personal possessions, working excessively long hours, living at a place of employment, checking into hotels / motels with older boyfriends or older males, and referring to those males as boyfriend or daddy, which is often slang for pimp. Poor physical or dental health, tattoos / branding on neck or lower back, untreated sexually transmitted diseases, small children serving in family restaurants, security measures that appear to keep people inside an establishment, barbed wire inside a fence, bars covering the insides of windows, not allowing people to go into public places alone or speak for themselves. People may argue that this is not that big of an issue or does not happen in my town, yet trafficking happens everywhere, under people's noses, and may be happening to your neighbor, family, or friend. It is often common to think that people with respectable image or wealthy family peoples with titles could not be involved in exploitation of others. Yet again, this is untrue. Sex trafficking is a wealthy underground industry. Therefore, no matter how respectable someone may seem, does not mean they could be involved in hurting others. An affluent neighborhood where a woman who told police she was traded to a pimp in Dallas from a man in Wyoming broke open a 5-month investigation into a sex trafficking ring that had its headquarters in an affluent neighborhood in far north Fort Walton. This is an affluent neighborhood where many would be shocked to hear that these traffickers used as their headquarters. Lastly, one may have the idea that women are only used, and this is very untrue. Men are also being trafficked as well, which means no one is safe. It is very important for us to be aware of the signs and to continue to watch for others, men, women, children, everyone. Thank you for listening. I hope you are now more informed on this issue of human trafficking and enjoyed this presentation. Thank you for listening.